paano ba set up yung Trello board? Today's video, I will give you tips in every Trello board that I do. So, ako nga pala si Regine Puaw, helping you to get more easier and enjoy less stress. Today, I will give you a full walkthrough how to set up a brand new Trello board. Before that, if bago lang kayo sa channel ko, hit subscribe and click like if you enjoy the video and share. And don't forget to ring the bell for more videos. Okay, let's jump in with my tutorial. Ito po yung brand new Trello board. So, the first tips that I will share it with you is the background. Of course, diba, you need to look for a color that represent your board. Kasi marami po tayong, if for example, if you are a teacher or marami po kayong mga tao or teams, at least it's easy for them to identify anong klaseng board na ito, anong color or anong laman ng board na ito. It's easy for them to identify based on the color. Okay? So, for example, this one, I have been creating board, so it's easy for you to check here. So we have green, meron din tayong red, meron din tayong orange, at meron din tayong pictures. So, saan po makikita po yan is dito po yan. Menu, show menu. So, this one. You can change the color based on the default given by the Trello. So, this one. This is the default images. You can just choose whatever you want. Okay? Just to identify what color or what picture your board represent. And you can also click colors, this one. And you can choose your background, custom background, but since we are using the pre-subscription, so we can only select the default saved by the Trello, default pictures and colors. Okay? And the next one is by creating a list. For example, this one. To list. Let's do a process. Let's do complete. So this is what I'm doing every time I will create a new board. Okay. So the next one is in every list that you created, I always put description on it. So, okay? So, description, not literally na maglagay po kayo ng description na word. Description in terms of what is the idea? What is meant by the idea? Because hindi lang ito para sa inyo lang. If, for example, if somebody's checking your board, at least they know already that what is the idea means and what is to-do list means. Diba? Because meron po tayong description. Okay? So, for example, this one. Description. Important ideas. Important daily ideas. Or this one, like, so, and this one is let's say confirmed ideas that needs confirmed ideas on queue or to be assigned. That's it. So it's easy. So it's depend on you how you describe your list. Okay? So next one is meron din po tayong label color. So let's nalagyan ko na rin yung anong tawag doon na description. So, every list, I will always put description label. This one. Description. So, that's it. And for example, if you have lots of ideas or things to do, okay, things to do or just anything, you can create label here like yellow, orange, let's say for example if meron po kayong naka-urgent na task, okay, you can drag from left to right. Okay, if you do things, for example, this is the priority. So how you can identify that if that color it's an urgent. So all you have to do, since nilagay po natin na urgent po tong red, is if meron po kayong team or who wants to join the board, all you have to do is just click the color or click the label here so you can see the description of the label. This one urgent. So this one is depending on how you represent that ideas on the label. So depende po sa inyo. So tips lang po ito. This is the default. All you have to do is click the color and back. So that's it. So very easy and very useful to organize, especially if teacher po kayo. You can put math, English, Filipino, or anything. Another tips is email. Email to boards settings. So, what is the use of emails? For example, especially if you have a client or if you have ideas from the other co-workers that emails you, or if your team have idea via email, you can forward your mail directly to your board by using this email address. Okay? If may email po kayo, for example, if may important email na galing po sa team po ninyo or sa inyo or sa client po ninyo, if you want that email appear on the board, you can forward your email using this email address. So forward your email to this address. So it will appear on this one, the list ideas, bottom of the list ideas. Okay? Bottom. Dito po sa ibaba. Pwede rin sa itaas. But we have this description. So if we put this on top, so yung description is bababa. So it's better to use on the bottom. Okay? So that's the tips. And the next one is the Powerups. Very useful po yung Powerups. So since we are using a free subscription of Trello, so di po tayo makapag-add na marami. So makagamit lang po tayo ng isang features. I use is custom. Ito po, add ka na lang. So, naka-add na siya. So, all you have to do is click, and the Powerups is custom field. For example, this one. Checkbox. Create checkbox. Regine. This one. Check. Another one. Friend. So, you can always create fields by the custom fields. For example, if you want date, so Regine, you can add date here. That's the custom field. Okay. You can also use the calendar. Also use the calendar. For example, this one. Disable. And we will use the calendar. Just add a calendar and voila. Here's your calendar. So everything will be all organized by using the calendar. If you have event, meetings, and etc., you can save your event here in the calendars. In the calendar. So I think that's it. And if you find this video helpful, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Have a great day and see you on my next blog. Thank you so much.